Hello, how are you guys? How are you today? How's your morning? Ito pa tayo. Ayan. You stay there. Stay there. Miming guys, gusto pa talaga daan dito. Where you go? Where you go? Ha? Where you go? Ayaw na din niya So, yun guys. Ito pa tayo. How's your morning? Corn. It's a corn. Mais, guys. Kain tayo. Tigas. Hindi na siya mainit, guys. Busy kasi ako. Do you want to eat this, Ming? Miming will eat. He eat. Inihaw na mais, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day and God bless us. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep safe. See you next.